What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today car is getting retuned by Mondo. I'm actually on my way to Starbucks. Yes, car is on its way to go get retuned by Mondo. It just needs to get refreshed and everything. Sorry, I'm shifting with one hand and the other, but anyways, it's getting revised by Mondo. I'll get them on video and everything, but yeah, so let's go. Alright, so I made it to EXP, finally. Fucking traffic was dumb. EXP Performance, there's Mondo's car. He's getting ready to just pretty much readjust or revise my tune. We're doing it now, finally getting it ready for street car takeover. I am excited. My goal in this car, granted I am taking everything out. Seat, rear seat, trunk stuff, all that, and I'm only going to be on like a half a tank of gas. Trying to get as much weight as I can without tearing out the fucking panels. Trying to get a 11. If I can get an 11.9, I'm happy. Jacob, I'll throw his Instagram up right here. Same car, same bolt-ons, same tire, ran the 12.2. Granted, I am in Tucson. Remember, Tucson's D8 sucks. The gas even sucks sometimes. So, if I can get an 11.9, I'm happy. But we will see. I'm going to try. If I don't run my 11.9, I'm either going to break an axle or I'm going to smoke my clutch. Either one. So, we'll see. We'll get it all done. Let's walk inside. Say hi to Mondo. I know he's tuning another car right now. But like I said, I'm in no rush. My day off. Happy. Brought my computer so I can finish editing it and upload the video of me at the track. You guys will see that. Yes, she is finally strapped down on the dyno. I'm ready. It's gonna be fucking loud, but she's looking good. She is dusty. She is still dusty. But honestly, I'm happy because it's not rain spotted. So I'm ready. And for those of you guys that don't know what's on it, it's a 2018 intake manifold, long tube headers, injectors, LU47s, Ford Performance LU47s, and E85, and then a Roush that it came with, obviously. The Roush cold air intake. I'm probably not going to upgrade it. I'll probably leave it because I am planning on going blower eventually. So we'll see. We'll get it all done. There's Mondo, going to get it all ready, and we'll talk to him. We'll talk to him here and there while he's tuning it and everything. So.
I'm sorry, whoever's behind me or when I'm driving around. I know you're fucking paying. That's fucking loud. So, I don't know if you heard him earlier, but it stopped building power again at 7,000. Now, he is doing his touch, whatever he does there. Just add all the timing, Mondo. Just add all the timing.
Already out all the time.
So he is adjusting it right now, going through his, working his Grimly fingers, so should be good. We'll see. But also I want the burble tune too, and a flame tune. Did you like that one?
It's better than what we had, but
I don't know why I'm standing behind here, but I am.
Oh my god, my ear. I don't know why the fuck I stood back there, but I did.